Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So I want to talk about some clearance over at Walgreens. Some of this stuff free or like up to 90% off. Definitely be on the lookout for this. And when some of these items are like, 45 cents. Oh my gosh, people, for Burt's Bees lip balm, everybody clears the store. Okay, so just to give you a little rundown on what clearance is, it's always that your mileage may vary depending where you live. Some stores 90 and then some nothing. So I noticed that too around here. Usually on Saturdays or Tuesdays, that's when these items get dropped in the system, just to note that. So just be on the lookout for the following products. Easter right now is between 40 to 50% off, and a lot of people are saying it won't go any less than that, not the 90% that we're used to from years past. For the different clearance events that they've had, as the last two that include Valentine's Day and Christmas, I mean, it was all over the map depending where you're living. And I know that a lot of my subscribers from like New York City, Long Island, Queens, they don't even have any of this clearance. It just goes right to a warehouse. So just be on the lookout if you live somewhere that, they do have clearance. I'm not sure what the schedule is for that, but hopefully there is a schedule, especially for all that candy. And with register rewards not scanning, my understanding is that stores got a memo this week saying that if they get that goofy message saying, error or invalid register reward, they have to key it in. So don't be shy to ask for a manager. Hopefully they'll work with you. And then the worst case scenario, call customer service for a little bit of assistance. I know this has been very trying in the last 2 weeks, and hopefully they make this up to us, because it's nice that they're changing their system, that it's working more effectively, so it'll scan the right coupons for the right items. But get it together. Your register rewards that are offered at your store should scan. Okay, so the first product at 90% off is this Burt's Bees Rescue Balm with Turmeric Cooling Eucalyptus. Very, very, very specifically has to be this one. So they have the like where they have all those cough drops. They have an aisle with like all the different lip balms. There's also a side cap, so like it's on the aisle like before you're going there, not an end cap, but it's on a side. That's where I found one on its own, because in the regular aisle where it said 45 cents, it was completely empty, but on a side cap I found one lonely lip balm. So somebody probably picked it up in the store maybe a couple weeks back, and they were like, I want a Burt's Bees lip balm, and they probably saw turmeric and they were like, I don't want this. So I'm guessing it must be a discontinued product for this sort of a drop, but this specific one, grab a screenshot, 45 cents. One store I visited, I think I visited 5 in the last 2 days. One store it was full price, every other one was 90. This is a free item. It's called Omron by Tens. It's this therapy pain pad that you put onto a machine, and I guess if you suffer from chronic pain, this is like heaven to put on those owie places on your body. So the original price for this is $22.99, and it's down to $2.29, which is 90% off. As you can see, there's a sticker behind it. So I had an idea. I'm just going to load the digital IVC. If you look bottom right hand corner, $5 off. That's an IVC coupon. You either get the cashier you load it digitally, or you can get the cashier to scan it from the book. And the product that's $2.29, well, if you look at the receipt top right hand corner, it's nothing. You just pay the tax. So really nice to get this product, for next to nothing. Definitely be on the lookout for this. And just to explain the IVC, so say I found 3 of them, that $5 digital IVC would apply 3 times. Also from the big book, it would apply 3 times, but the digital is a one and done. So now that I've used it on this account, I can't do it digitally again. I'll have to get the cashier to scan it from the book. Another free item is these Rimmel. It's this, if you look at the top, see it's in like very tiny font. It says Rimmel London. It says Mini Power Palette Eyes, Lips, Cheeks. So it's like a little palette that you can have the full look. So the original price was $9.99, and it's down to $1. So that's another 90% off. And as you can see, we have an IVC coupon, 4 off of 2 for Rimmel Cosmetics. And so it just reduced it down to free. There is no overage with these IVC coupons. And I had picked up 3, so I got 3 completely for free. How nice is that? Also in that makeup aisle, but these are items I didn't buy, but now I'm kind of regretting not picking up that NYX, the lip pencils, but I just was like, I don't want it. No, I'm like, I should have bought it. So we have some Elf. I don't know if it's like, oh, it's a clear Clear and Snow Lash Mascara. So it's white. So if you want to hop right back into the early 2000s, that's absolutely for you. And then there's a really cute lip pencil for 40 cents. The original price point is $3.99. It's by NYX or NYX, however you say it, 90% off. I wish I grabbed those pencils because those colors look very, very nice. I might have to go back and grab them. Okay, so now we have the Schwarzkopf. It's just a hair dye, and this is kind of my color, and I do, paint my hair once in a blue moon. So $11.99 down to $1.19. There was no digital coupon, but I'm hoping maybe like one of the rebate apps might have a rebate for this in the next couple, perhaps, maybe, possibly. I'll get something back for that, but even like $1 for this, use some Walgreens cash and you're laughing all the way to the bank and back. Lots of feminine care I've seen. Now this isn't 90, it's like, I don't know, 50%, and some of it's like 70. It's weird pricing, but these U by Kotex Security, the pads, if you know, this is a quality product. We do have some digital coupons, so it'll drop it significantly. And Fetch Rewards has something with Kotex, paper products, like Cottonelle Scott, spend 50, get back 15. So with this purchase, yes, there was something back for me. So lots of these feminine care products, just $1 off or 50% off. Definitely scan the barcode to see if there's a digital coupon, or type in always into your coupon folder of your Walgreens account. Is there something? Is there nothing? And then also these little liners. I think it's shrinkflation. They're probably going to put 6 in that pack and charge you $6.49 for it. Who knows? But they're definitely trying to get rid of some of these packages with larger amounts, like 84, 64. Who knows how many they'll put in? And yeah, no comment there, but definitely if you need feminine care, walk down that aisle. And this product, I don't think it ever really took off. It's called the Pure Organic Tampons, and it's 50% off. So no great savings, but at 90 cents, I would definitely buy it. Also, food. A lot of this stuff isn't at that magic 50 or magic 90 or magic 75% off, but cheap. Cheapy. Use some Walgreens cash or register rewards and you might have a deal per VU. Also toys too. A lot of toys are 50% off. But yeah, definitely walk clearance aisle or in the food aisle. They had a lot of these cheapy. I would like to see it, for 19 cents. Wouldn't that be nice? But $1.39 for 6 of these mini or fun size Twix, if that's your favorite thing. And always check expiry dates. You don't want to buy candy that's already expired. Okay, guys, so before I leave, so many of you wrote on my video yesterday, and it was a very profound video, and I'm going to say, if this is a class, this is probably the most important lesson of the week, just to be kind, to walk with a bit of compassion and generosity in your heart. Over the Easter holiday, one of my mom's neighbors, I gifted a little something, I didn't really think much of it, and she called me a couple days later, and the lady was in tears. The gift meant so much, and a lot of you got the message, and a lot of you are inspired to give, and how cool is that? And I thank everybody who wrote really nice comments or reached out to me. There is no bigger blessing in life than seeing somebody's reaction after giving a gift, I think. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.